In this video, I want to show you guys how to clone a Windows 11 to another disk using a software called EaseUS Disk Copy. This is a really simple and easy to use disk cloning tool. The disk cloning can be really useful plus time saving in many instances. Let's say with this, you can easily upgrade your HDD drive to SSD, or you can go from smaller SSD to larger one. Or let's say you got a new PC, you can clone your existing Windows and its applications to a new PC, so you don't have to reinstall the Windows or all the apps and games that you have. Right now, I only have one disk here. This is HDD. I want to upgrade to SSD because HDD is usually slower than HDD. So basically what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna clone this Windows 11 installation to another disk without losing any data. So I have already inserted my SSD to this PC, but you can see it isn't visible here. So what I have to do here is I have to search for create and format hard disk partitions. And I'm gonna have to open this, and in here, as soon as you open this, it's gonna pop up with this dialog that there is a new disk that you can access. So in here, by default, it will auto select the GPT. So you don't have to change anything. Just click on OK. Or actually, the EaseUS disk copy can also utilize disk. You don't actually have to go into the disk management. But just to make sure that the new SSD that you got is working, you can go here and see that now we have disk 0, which is 500 megabytes SSD. You can leave it as it is. Even if you don't see here, don't worry about that. You'll see it here once we clone the Windows 11 to that disk. Next, I want you guys to open the task manager, and I want you guys to go to the performance. And from here, you need to select the disk that you have inserted. In my case, it's the disk 0, disk 1 with the C drive letter. That's the HDD. So I'm pretty sure that this is the SSD where I want to clone the Windows 11. So select that, and to the right side, I want you guys to take a note of the name of this disk. This will be really useful later. We'll come back to this as we go through this video. Actually, let me take a picture of this from my phone so it will be safe. Now I know the name of this disk. I can proceed to next step, which is downloading this software. You can go into the Google and search for EaseUS Disk Copy, and then go to this website, or I'll put a link in the description. Click on that link and you'll be landed here. From here, just click on this to download this. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and run the installer for this program. Once it gets installed, it will automatically open, and you'll also see a desktop icon. So you can also launch this from there. Now, once you open this, it will also detect your new SSD that you just inserted on your PC. You can click on yes, and then you can proceed with cloning your Windows 11 to this new disk. So for this example, I'm just going to click on no, and let's do it manually. There are multiple options here. We have disk mode, system mode, partition mode. Usually what you want to do here is just go with the disk mode if you want to clone your Windows to another disk. So this is the option that we are going to select. Here we need to select the source disk. In other words, a disk where the Windows is installed currently. So we can go and open the File Explorer and go to this PC, and we can see this is the 1 terabyte of HDD. And if we go here, you can see we have two disks. Okay, disk 1, this is where the Windows is installed. So we want to select this one. We're gonna click on next, and then we need to select the target disk, the disk where we want to clone our Windows. So in our case, this is disk 0. This is the SSD. And also earlier, as I said, you need to remember the name of the disk. So we know for sure this is the disk where we want to clone our Windows. So we're gonna select that. Okay. Now we're going to click on next. Now in this page, there isn't anything that you need to do here. So just click on proceed. And now it's going to give you a warning that the disk that you have selected, the target disk, the new SSD that you have selected, will get erased. So in my case, there is nothing that I need to save. It's empty actually. So I'm going to click on continue. And now it's going to start cloning our Windows 11 to our new SSD. It will take some time depending on how many apps and games you have on your system, and it will also show you how long it will take to clone our Windows 11. So for me, it's giving me estimate time around 5 minutes. So it will take almost like 5 to 10 minutes for me. So it took me exactly 8 minutes. Once it's done, it will give you this prompt: automatically adjust the boot order to boot from the current target disk. Basically, the disk that we just cloned, the new SSD. Or there is another option: I'll set the boot order myself later. So if you're planning to use this SSD on a same PC, then you can actually select the first option and it will automatically boot this new SSD. So you don't have to change any settings in the BIOS. So for this example, let's go with the first option and then let's click on reboot. Don't worry, if you're planning to use this disk on another PC, then I'll also show you guys how to change the BIOS settings. Okay, so for this example, let's click on reboot and let's restart our PC. And it's done booting from the new SSD. It took me literally 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And if we go and open the file explorer, and go to this PC, here we can see our local disk C is our new SSD. Local D is also here. Now you can go ahead and format this or whatever you want to do with this. And here you can see we have all the settings. My wallpaper is there, the browser apps that I had, everything is here. This is exact copy of our previous Windows 11. So yeah, it's that simple and easy, fast, and secure. You don't even have to go into the BIOS and change the settings if you're doing on a same PC. Now, let's talk about what if you want to use this cloned disk to another PC. Once you have inserted the new disk on your new PC, you have to go into the BIOS. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, every BIOS will look different, and the key to access the BIOS will also be different. You can actually use Google's help if you want to. You can simply just, for example, what is the BIOS or boot menu key for MSI motherboard. Now, this is the Dell laptop, and this is how the Dell laptop's BIOS menu looks. So once we are in the BIOS, we need to find this setting called boot sequence. Usually it's under general settings. We need to select that option. Now we just need to change the boot order here. Remember earlier I told you guys to remember the name of the SSD. So this is the name of the SSD at the top where it says Windows Boot Manager, and there is the SSD name. I took a picture of this and this is the name of my SSD. So this is our new SSD where we cloned our Windows 11. So basically we need to make sure that it is at the top. You're gonna have to select that SSD. Now simply change the boot order by clicking on that up arrow icon. Okay, once it is at the top, now this PC is going to boot from this new SSD. Okay, we're gonna go and click on apply. Now we just need to reboot our PC and you'll see that you have successfully booted your PC from new SSD. So yeah, this tool is actually really simple and easy to use. It took me almost like 10 minutes to clone my Windows 11 to new SSD. Imagine reinstalling Windows and installing all the applications and games that you had. So this can be really useful and time saver. So yeah, that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you still have any questions or suggestions for me, you can always do the comment, and I'll put a link in the description for this software. You can go there and download it and have fun cloning your Windows. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye-bye.